Upwork just raised their fees in March of 2025. And is Upwork even worth it anymore? That's probably why you're tuning into this video. And we're going to get into that. My name is Ben. I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, and I'm going to talk to you about what I think about these new changes. Let's just go ahead and hop into my computer and read what we have going on. Okay, so here we are with the variable freelance server fees. It says starting in May 1st, so it hasn't started yet. It hasn't kicked in yet. I'm assuming they're still ironing out all the details and they're seeing how the community responds to being able to increase the fees. I say, depending on how these fees go, we go on a strike. They're already charging us bids. They're already not refunding them back. It's just not good. People are not able to compete fairly like they used to, and they just need to put more efforts into bot modification, into making sure that people aren't signing up with bots. That's my take on it. So it says the range will be from 0 to 15%. So it could be nothing up to 15%. My guess with Upwork's track record, everything's going to be 15%, in jobs like local jobs might be 0%. I'm not sure where they're going to wrap this in. I hope it gets lower for all of us, because the 15% fee is outrageous for doing virtually nothing. It's very hard to run an agency on that extra 5% margin. Not to mention, it's $50 to withdraw from Upwork. Now, I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, but I'm also going to give you my opinion. Can you still get jobs on Upwork? Yes. Can you make money on Upwork? Yes. Is it getting harder to make money on Upwork? Yes. Do you need to craft better proposals and read through the documents? Yes. Or you could use my Upwork bidder bot. I have a custom chat GPT. I'll leave it in the link in the description below that you could use this to bid on jobs. But let's just go down through here and check out all the other stuff that they're saying. Will the new variable freelancer service fee affect my existing contracts? No, the new fee will not affect the existing contracts. Why are you making this change? Yeah, we already know why they said they're making the change. Should I expect the fee on my contracts to change unexpectedly? No, once a contract is signed, the freelancer fee is locked in. How I see the freelancer service fee on my pay on my contract, same as it always will be. What additional benefits or features am I getting with this change? Now, this is nice. We want to know what the additional benefits or features are. Usually whenever somebody introduces something like this, it's going to be benefits and featured based. And right now, it just doesn't seem like that, okay? So let's go ahead and read this. This new approach is designed to benefit freelancers by creating a more balanced and healthy marketplace. Yeah, we read that. We'll continue to monitor feedback. What other factors determine the freelancer service fee that I'll pay? Our algorithms will keep evolving. That means that they're going to keep trying to figure out how to take more of your money while keeping you on the platform. Yes, variable fees will apply to freelancers who subscribe to Freelancer Plus, except when they bring a new client via Upwork Direct Contracts. So that's not going to stop you. Guys, if you're new to Upwork and you just started freelancing and you don't have any reviews, you're almost dead in the water. You need to bring a client from somewhere. I don't care if it's a friend that pays you $20. You need to have a job on Upwork and get yourself a profile on Upwork so you at least have 1 5-star rating, or you're going to have a very hard time getting your first job on Upwork. So where do you get that? Reach out in Facebook groups. Hey, can I do it? Do something for way less than it should normally cost just to get that first review. That's what I had to do whenever I rebuilt my profile 6 months ago, and that's what you're going to have to do now. So let's just keep going back through this. Are agencies affected by this? Yes. Will variable freelancer fees apply to direct contracts? So no, again, if you bring your own client, no. Are you bringing back the sliding freelancer service fee based on contract owner? No, variable fees may be based on various factors such as market supply and demand. This sounds better. I hope that they really lower it. I hope they don't go up to 15%. Is there any way of getting a discount? No. Where can you find more? Right here. Let's see what it says here. Doesn't say much. Looks like they haven't even updated this page yet. I think they wanted to see what the backlash in the community is, and I think we should all go on strike. I'm not down for it. They need to be more clear. They need to tell us what the fees are per category, web design, video editing, whatever it is. They need to tell us what the fees are before they just say, hey, are you guys okay with this? Because that's what they're doing right now. They're trying to figure out if we're okay with it, if they can get 15% instead of 10. You know, that puts their earnings up probably 30 or 40%. If they do a 15% fee, they're going to get 50% more revenue for their business. If they're already charging 10% and then they charge 15, they're going to make so much more money because their fixed overhead is already taken care of. So what do I think about this Upwork thing? I think that it's pretty shitty. I hope that the fees are less for web development, graphic design, copywriting, all that other stuff. And maybe they're more for the scarcer jobs. But for the ones that are plentiful, maybe they'll go down in price. We'll have to see. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.